guys, welcome back to the Moto Gang. This is Arash, and then now we're having the 롤스로이스고스트 here. Came to our shop to do the two-tone color with the silver metallic from the Avery. It's going to wrap the grill, roof, hood, roof, and all the pillar. So, and gonna come until the trunk, and then this way. So same as the OEM two-tone color from the Rolls-Royce. Car is the super dirty. Let's go wash it together, and then we will make it look so pretty. Let's go. Moto Gang. We just started wrapping from the hood, and we did the roof. And come with me, I will show you something special. The Rolls-Royce, Bentley, those type of luxury car having very huge trunk, and then usually people do the two-piece, but we did the one-piece. Look at, no any dust, no any glue line. Actually this film is the super sensitive and then sticky from the Avery. As soon you lay the film, it's making the glue line. But I just find it out with the heat gun before lay, it's going to be best way. So, and then if you want to see the how we did install well, look at, when you get the heat, film wrap by itself. That is the best example for the right tension and then shrinking back. So now we need to lay it this way, this area. First we need to cut here and then lay the rest. And you guys gonna see end of the video how looks gonna be perfect. Still hidden all the film, squeegee. Okay, now let's go from here. To the heat a bit and start using your gloves. Actually, we found out this car had a wrap before from the other shop. I made the video later. I can show you guys all here having the knife mark. because they didn't remove this piece here. And now need to cut those area, then finish. Guys, today is the second day we work on the 롤스로이스고스트. Now we lay this pillar and then we need to take the knifeless tape. So actually who did wrap this car before, we found out here they didn't use the knifeless tape all the way down, all knife mark. They cut it just with the blade. Look at how it's clean. Cool, right? I love it. Okay guys, second day is finished and then we are done with this car. Now I need to just put the front grille and then the rear badge back and then car totally done. Tomorrow I'm gonna take it out and then take it the nice video and then picture for you guys, and then let's do it this one. Time to put the emblem back, but actually I want to talk about the one thing. I worked with the Phantom, new one and old one, right and then down. Actually this is my first time I work with the Ghost and I didn't know how to remove it, this part, and I just thinking like the other Rolls-Royce just having the few clips and then the both side tape and then bam gonna come out, but it didn't. And then I searched it on the YouTube. I found one video, other Korean guy, he removed this piece, but he didn't show how to remove it. He just showing the corner and then says the few clips. And we tried same things, but it didn't come out. Finally at the end, from the bottom part, we removing the piece, and then we found out behind this badge, not like other Rolls-Royce, having the another torque 20. So I want to talk about it so you guys not fall for it, and please don't posting the wrong information on YouTube for others. That's gonna make the problem for the other who gonna watch your video. So be careful. And yes, having the one bolt here and then 2 clips here and then 2 clips here, plus really small piece of the both side tape. And then this is also tape. It's not like the other Rolls-Royce. That's different. So now I'm going to install this back. That's very important things. I do have lucky I didn't break it, because I keep trying to grab it because I think in the those are key didn't come out, but thanks God I have lucky. So let's go for tomorrow and then take the video under the sun and then see how turn to the two-tone. Boom guys, Rolls-Royce ready. Let's take the look together. Look at that piece of art. Okay. It turned really well, and then matching the black with that metallic silver. Also the orient paint is also black metallic, and then the part we did wrap is metallic silver. It's matching very nice. Look like exactly same as Rolls-Royce option for the two-tone color. Look how it turned very nice. I love it. It just done, ready, and then I got clean it, waiting for the customer to pick it up. Making this line and then this one same, it's really kind of hard, but I did it really clean. They put the sleeper to go into. Beautiful car. I wish everyone can have those type of car. Life is too short. We need to get more of those. Can you even tell this is wrap? Look like really like OEM. Pretty big boy. Big boy. Look at that big luxury sedan next to the supercar. Look at the house size difference. Oh my goodness. Wow. two different cars with the different size, different look, different type. Look at that, what looks nice sitting next to each other. And another option later for the owner, if getting bored, they can do all the chrome black and then got the paint on the badge, make it a black badge, like grill, all the badge at the side, and then window frame, door handle. It's going to be more nice and more sporty. Like that with the chrome, it look like more luxury. But everything beautiful, beautiful. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I tried to show you how we work on this car, and then some tips about this car, how to part removing or the wrap, and that's it. I hope you like it, and then please subscribe my channel and then help me to make the more video, and then we'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.